Hello and welcome back. This is me, Murad Ahmed from University of Budair. Today, I am going to teach you a very beautiful short story, The Darling, that is written by Anton Chikos. So, as I have talked about some of the introduction to reading and writing, along with what is writing and how to do it. But right now, what I am going to do, you may have guessed exactly. Active reading and writing with the use of grammatical structures and rules. Are you ready, students? So let's begin. Before starting the lesson plan, I would like to talk about the objectives of this today's class. There are clear and concise objectives that we will achieve in our today's class. The objectives are: first one is reading actively, active reading. Second one is use of diverse grammatical structures in different contexts. Third objective is use of grammatical forms and passage. Fourth one is learn the different classifications of the similar words, different grammatical classifications of the similar words. These are the objectives of our today's class that we will aim to achieve here. Students, after objectives, we have instructions. So follow the following instructions for the today's class. First one is read out the story one time. Then highlight all the difficult vocabulary words. Third one is pay attention to different grammatical structures. Also consider all parts of speech and the punctuation used. So, and fifth one is also consider the different grammatical classifications of the similar sound. So, I am going to deliver you a model presentation for today's class. So, you will learn how to do it. But in model presentation, I have classified the students. Look at the board. I have classified all the grammatical categories into many parts as a model. You can see all the vocabularies at the right side of the board, all the difficult words and all the main characters and all the grammatical structures at the right side of the board, and summaries point at the other side of the board. This is a model presentation. This may help you learn a lot. After we have discussed the clear and concise objectives, you also have been given instructions, and after that, I have given you the model presentation. So consider all these things in your mind, and let's move toward guided practice. Now we have guided practice. As you have learned all the things, objectives, instructions, after that model presentations. Now you have your guided practice. Students, for this activity you have to make groups of few students. In each group you will read out the story according to the instructions I have given, considering all the things like sentence structures, parts of speech, punctuations used, all these things in the group. After that, if you face any difficulty, I am here to assist you. After reading the story carefully with the given instructions, you have to write down a summary and with your focus and attention. So, group activity is very important because it helps you learn a lot. It is more fruitful than individual learning, as this is also a teamwork. After guided practice, let's move to our independent practice. As you have done it in your group, now you have to do it by yourself. You have to read out the story by yourself independently, considering all the things, all the characters, all the vocabularies, all the parts of speech, and all the punctuations in your mind. And after that, write down a summary according to the rules given. This is the independent practice. This is also your homework, and that you will do in your homes. As I have taught you a lot of things, objectives, instructions, model presentations. After that, you have done guided practice and independent practice. Now, it is time to assess you. For the assessment, I will adopt formative assessment that I will ask different questions about different things like the main characters. I will ask about the different vocabularies. I will ask about the grammatical structures. I'll ask about the punctuations and the parts of speech used in this story. The purpose of this assessment is to find the loop of hole, which remains unfulfilled. Assessment is also very fruitful because it opens the gates for the students' self-assessment. The students can know by this assessment that how much they learn and how much they have to improve. This assessment also helps students to engage actively in the class. This was all about my class lesson plan. If you have any question, you may ask. Thank you very much.